What's going on, YouTube? Doc in this thing. Today, we gonna learn about some barbecue. Brisket to be exact. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Mr. Doc. All right, YouTube. We got a pretty good fire going on here. We just about ready for some meat. We want to let this burn down till we get some coals. So when we add wood, it just catch on and keep on cooking. But when cooking it, you wanna burn a clean fire on it. So a lot of people think that you say smoking meat, that means you're supposed to have a lot of smoke, but that's not true. What you want is the heat off of it. So you want it to be burning a clean fire when you get up here. So when you look at your flute up there, you ain't seeing smoke, you just seeing a bunch of heat monkeys jumping out of there. So that's what you want. But we'll be ready to cook here soon. Okay, YouTube. Here you got me getting ready to prepare this meat to get trimmed up. It wasn't a lot to it. It wasn't a lot of fat on it, so I didn't have to do a whole lot of trimming. Basically just hit a couple high spots on it, and you see it's not a lot of fat. You wanna have a little fat on the top of it that make a difference on your cook. That's where you get your moisture from. You know, you need all that fat on there to run it down. So here you got me seasoning it up. I like to use Tony Satrin on it. And I like this non-salt seasoning, garlic and herb. I like to put that on and add a little flavor to it without over salting it. And you put that on there real good. You ain't gotta be afraid of this big piece of meat, so you can season it up pretty good. Then I like to come back with that SP seasoning. That's my salt and pepper. And pepper play a big part on the brisket. Pepper is actually tastes really good on that. So after I hit it with the salt and pepper, I come back with some coarse black pepper and go over the top of it. And man, it makes it taste really good once that fat running down. Some with that black pepper and that fat just go real good together. Look here, YouTube, we burning a little dirty right now. Here in a second, when we hit about 225, 250, all that'll cut out. That's the temp you about want to cook at. We almost there. It won't take long. But about between 225, 250 is where I like to cook. Get that fat time to run it down on your meat. You know, we got a nice little fire going. So won't be long. Push that back up in there. Yeah. That's how I like to watch it burn, baby. YouTube, I think we about ready. We can go and throw a little meat on it. Still smoking a little bit, but that'll be all right. It ain't too bad. It ain't dark or nothing. I'd rather have it clear, but I can work with that. Well, let's meet this thing on up. It's a little tight in there, but it's gonna shrink right on up. Got a couple ribs over here I'm gonna throw on there too, so let's get them in there. Kind of hard working with one hand, so y'all bear with me. I think I might stick this one down low. Look at that, YouTube. Look pretty good, don't it? So y'all give y'all a preview right quick. Can't leave it open too long though. So till the next time. Here I got my son. I like to bring him out, let him help me plant these trees, so give him some good memories. I said I do this while I'm sitting here waiting on my grill. He trying his best to get in there, but he try hard. Hopefully one day he'll sit back and remember these days right here. I had fun out here with him. I think he had fun with me too, so that's all right. I like to have them type of memories. Got my brother decide he wanted to come in the background and make as much noise as he could behind my video, distract my son from working. He really liked those, but I got a mistake, so we kept on with it. Hope I get a ride to that. There it is, YouTube, the Bella, Georgia peach tree. Decided I stick that in while I was cooking on the grill and share it with you all. All right, YouTube, I think we about ready to take it off. What y'all think? Look pretty good, don't it? Well, I'm gonna go and get this thing off here. I'll holler back at you. right, YouTube. Finished product. What y'all think? Look pretty good, don't it? Look at that. That's what you want. See them juices flowing out of there? That's how you know you got a good brisket. Good and juicy. It ain't quite as tender as I wanted it to be, but it'll work. It's still eatable. But I think I'm gonna take a piece over here. Tell y'all about it. Tastes pretty good. Tastes pretty good. Well, I just want to show y'all the finished product. Hope y'all enjoy. See y'all next time. Doc out of here.